research-based teaching strategies for ADD and ADHD. 9 high-yield strategies. Requesting the identification of differences and similarities, teaching summarization and note-taking skills, reinforcing effort and giving praise, targeting crucial components of homework and practice, utilizing non-linguistic representations, utilizing cooperative learning, providing objectives and initiating feedback, encouraging students to read and analyze hypotheses, utilizing questions, advanced organizers, and cues. These 9 research-based strategies have been proven to enhance academic outcomes for students with ADHD. Difficulties in reading and math. Students with ADHD and ADD typically struggle in areas such as reading and math. Their learning styles are quite opposite of what is expected of students in the general education population. Intervention strategies for reading. Small group work and one-on-one aid. Small group and one-on-one instruction and specific skills will help to produce a more successful learner. Structure and comfort. Keeping a routine classroom with structured daily schedules and consistent instructional techniques, as well as developing an instructional environment in which the student feels comfortable and taking risks, are all valuable keys to promoting the success for students with ADD and ADHD. Pre-reading strategies. Relate the reading to prior knowledge to gain interest and creating meaningful connections. This can be done through the use of a variety of graphic organizers such as a KWL chart. Post-reading. Similar to pre-reading strategies, these are a multiplicity of graphic organizers that can increase the student's use of metacognitive strategies to enhance their comprehension of what they previously read. An example of post-reading strategies might incorporate the use of story mapping. This technique has been proven to help students take notes in class as well. Allowing movement. During read aloud or seated work, allowing a student to quietly fidget with handheld objects, sit on the floor, or drawing while being read to are all strategies to help implement movement into reading for students with ADD and ADHD. Instructional strategies for mathematics. Math problem-solving strategies. Visualization strategies and the development of processing steps can aid students with ADHD in the dissection of required information in order to sequentially obtain a solution to complex mathematical problems. Mnemonic instructional strategies. There are 3 basic forms of mnemonic strategies: keyword, pegword, and acronyms. These mnemonic strategies are essential for bridging the gap between new knowledge and prior knowledge through the utilization of visual or vocal prompts. Concrete, representational, abstract. In order to promote retention of knowledge learned of a specific concept, this 3-step instructional strategy builds upon the previous step. The CRA approaches allows for the use of visual, tactile, and kinesthetic skills to gain mathematical comprehension, thus aiding the student with ADHD by creating a system of organizing information. Graphic organizer strategies. Hierarchical diagrams, sequence charts, and compare and contrast charts are 3 forms of mathematical graphic organizers that allow the student to maintain information over time, thus creating a larger chance of moving the information into long-term memory. More academic interventions. Direct instruction, computer-assisted instruction, peer tutoring, differentiated instruction, and multiple intelligences. Each of these intervention strategies directly addresses academic skills that many students with ADHD lack. They promote generalization and maintenance of the academic skills through an adaptation and modification of the curriculum. Behavioral interventions in the classroom. Behavioral interventions for the student with ADHD incorporate both antecedent and consequence-based strategies that modify the student environment to directly address the impairment. Antecedent-based strategies are used to prevent inattentive and/or disruptive behavior. 3 typical antecedent strategies include posting of classroom rules, decreased task demands, and provide students with choices related to their classroom assignments. Consequence-based strategies include manipulating environment events following a specific behavior. This can take place in multiple ways, such as positive reinforcement through a token system, response costs, which involves the removal of tokens contingent upon negative behavior, and timeout from a positive reinforcement in efforts to reduce the problem behavior. Self-regulation interventions in the classroom. When practicing self-management strategies, students with ADHD are motivated to monitor, evaluate, and reinforce behavior. Strategies to promote self-regulation include the student utilizing a Likert scale or another type of rating scale created by the teacher to evaluate the personal behavior. Promoting self-management strategies in students with ADHD has been proven to enhance many positive behaviors for a lasting period of time.